Next is the deficiency of calcium may produce rickets and hypocalcemic tetany with muscle cramps. Deficiency of the calcium may produce rickets and hypocalcemic tetany with muscle cramps, numbness, tingling sensation of limb, etc. It may also result in growth retardation, dental caries, osteoporosis, osteomalacia, insomnia, skin problems, joint pain, and palpitation. These are the deficiency of the calcium. Then prevention against calcium deficiency. Increase the dietary intake of calcium rich food. Take calcium rich food. Promoting calcium absorption by avoiding excess dietary intake of phytic acid, that is cereals. What is phytic acid? Phytic acid is a substance seen in the plants. Primary, the phosphorus is stored in the form of phytic acid. Example, cereals. In cereals, the phosphorus is stored in the form of phytic acid. Then increasing dietary protein intake and treating chronic diarrhea. The second mineral is phosphorus. Phosphorus plays a vital role in metabolism of protein, fat, and carbohydrate. Phosphorus play a vital role in metabolism of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. It is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. Phosphorus is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. Synthesis of phospholipids and regulation of acid-base balance. It is essential for the formation of bone and teeth. Synthesis of phospholipids and regulation of acid-base balance. Then what are the sources of phosphorus? Milk, meat, fig, egg yolk, cereals, and pulses. Phosphorus is widely available in foodstuffs. Phosphorus is more in foods. Then deficiency of the phosphorus. Deficiency of the phosphorus may lead to rickets in growing children. Deficiency leads to rickets in growing children. Hyperphosphatemia result in renal failure. Hyperphosphatemia is the increased amount of phosphorus in the blood that is seen in the renal failure. That is hyperphosphatemia. The third element is sodium. The sodium is an important electrolyte present in all body fluids. Sodium is an important electrolyte present in all body fluids. It is essential for the maintenance of osmotic pressure, acid-base balance. Sodium is essential for the maintenance of osmotic pressure and acid-base balance. It is available in common salt, drinking water, milk, egg, and meat. The sources are common salt, drinking water, milk, egg, and meat. Then deficiency. Hyponatremia due to excess loss through secretion, vomiting, gastric aspiration, diarrhea, and diuresis. Diuresis is increased amount of urine, increased urination. Hyponatremia due to excess loss. Why hyponatremia? The causes is excess loss through secretion, vomiting, gastric aspiration, diarrhea, and diuresis. Clinical features of hyponatremia. What are the clinical features of hyponatremia? Dehydration, weakness, lassitude. Lassitude means weakness of physical and mental. Then dizziness, nausea, anorexia, hypertension, syncope, and convulsion. Next one is hypernatremia. Hypernatremia and sodium retention may result excessive sodium intake with high protein diet and characterized by edema and CNS symptoms, dullness, convulsions, and coma. There are two conditions: hyponatremia, decreased level of sodium, and increased level of sodium is called hypernatremia. And sodium retention may result excessive sodium intake with a high protein diet and characterized by edema and CNS symptoms like dullness, convulsions, and coma. Next is the potassium. Potassium is an important element or electrolyte for muscular contraction, conduction of nerve impulses, cell membrane permeability, and enzyme action. Potassium is important for muscular contraction, conduction of nerve impulses, cell membrane permeability, and enzyme action. It is essential for the maintenance of osmotic pressure, fluid electrolyte balance, and integrity of cardiac muscle excitability, conduction, and rhythm. Then all foods contain potassium and mostly available in meats, milk, cereals, vegetables, legumes, dried fruits, and fruit juices. Potassium is rich in meat, milk, cereals, vegetables, legumes, dried fruits, and fruit juices. Deficiency of vitamin. Hypokalemia is called deficiency of vitamin. Deficiency of potassium is called hypokalemia. Hypokalemia develop in starvation, malnutrition, gastroenteritis, and steroids and diuretic therapy. Hypokalemia is due to starvation, malnutrition, gastroenteritis, steroids, and diuretic therapy. It may also found in excessive vomiting, gastric aspiration, loss of gastrointestinal secretion in various disease conditions, and fluid therapy with a potassium-free solution. Then hypokalemia. Hyperkalemia is increased amount of potassium. Then hypokalemia, decreased amount of potassium, is manifest as tachycardia, ECG changes, marked muscle weakness, hypotonia, abdominal distension, and drowsiness. This is the signs and symptoms of hypokalemia. Hypokalemia is a decreased amount of potassium. Tachycardia, ECG changes, marked muscle weakness, hypotonia, abnormal distension, and drowsiness. Next one is hyperkalemia. What are the clinical manifestations of hyperkalemia? Muscle weakness, abdominal distension, restlessness, diarrhea, abdominal, cardiac rhythm, cardiac arrest, and abnormal cardiac rhythm, cardiac arrest, and ventricular fibrillation. Ventricular fibrillation is a life-threatening condition in which a rapid heart rate. The next element is a mineral is magnesium. Magnesium present in all body cells. Magnesium is present in all body cells. It is essential for the formation of bones and teeth, enzymatic action, carbohydrate metabolism, synthesis of fatty acids, and protein. Magnesium is essential for the formation of bones and teeth, enzymatic action, carbohydrate metabolism, synthesis of fatty acids, and protein. Sources of rich sources of magnesium are banana, milk, cereals, nuts, meats, and green leafy vegetables. Deficiency condition also associated with the deficiency caused by with the protein energy malnutrition, malabsorption syndrome, chronic renal failure, diarrhea, persistent vomiting, and gastric aspiration, and hypocalcemia. These all conditions, the amount of magnesium is less. Deficiency condition also associated with protein energy malnutrition, malabsorption syndrome, chronic renal failure, diarrhea, persistent vomiting, gastric aspiration, and hypocalcemia. Next is the clinical features of hypomagnesemia. What are the clinical features of hypomagnesemia? Irritability, convulsions, areflexia. What is areflexia? Areflexia is the absence of reflex. It is areflexia. Hyperreflexia is